My name's Dawkins and I'm working in the production for Radio Wales. Favourite thing? I have to say, probably the people, to be honest. Like I've really, it's been overwhelmingly nice, you know what I mean? Like everyone's been really welcoming, really lovely, really open to just like, if you've got any questions, if you want to ask anything, they'll literally do it. Like, you know, like you have to be scared about, you know, if you think, oh, they've like, you know, they might be really busy and they're doing something, they will talk to you even if they have got something to do. So, yeah. I've got my children in need. Had to be. Pudsey Bear, doing 6-7 to the kids. You know, it was really great fun. And that was a lot of, probably the first time that I was able to sort of like really bond in with the team, because it was like the first time to sort of be with everyone, be out. We were in the stadium, we were in loads of different venues around Cardiff. It was freezing cold, but we bonded nevertheless. Probably not to be as overwhelmed as I felt, I guess, is probably, you know, like I think at the start I was very nervous to sort of like just talk to I know they've been lovely, but just as myself, like it's been a bit like awkward to be like, oh, hi, you know what I mean? But like since the more stuck in I've got, the better that sort of taught me to be like, you know, you're all good, you know, it's going to be fun, so yeah. I didn't have any expectations going in. I mean, I hadn't had much of a radio background, so I didn't have a clue as to how it was all going to run. But it succeeded everything that I would have thought that it was going to be, you know, so it's just been so much fun just to sort of do loads. And I thought it was just going to be radio, but I've done loads of, they call it OBs, which is like outdoor broadcast. I've done Children in Need and things like that, so I've done more than, it's all been for radio, but I've done loads of events as well. You're going to hear it all the time at Be Yourself. Like, I genuinely thought that I went into it going, with this application, it was sort of like a learning curve as well. So I'm going to do it exactly as I would do it. You know, no one really, you know, maybe a little bit of help here and there, but like I'm going to do it as me. And it paid off. And I really didn't think it was going to pay off because I thought I didn't have very good answers, but here we are. So just literally, yeah, be yourself, I would say, is my advice.